Hi everyone, welcome to Yen's Family Table. Today we're making 2 loaves of bread that are perfect for sandwiches. These recipes are easy and straightforward, perfect for beginners. So let's get started. First, for the healthy whole wheat loaf. Pour all the dry ingredients into your stand mixer bowl. I included a super seed mix that included chia seeds, flax seeds, and hemp hearts to boost up the protein. Mix it all up and then add in your wet ingredients. Quickly mix it together by hand or hook it onto your stand mixer and mix it on low to combine with the dough hook attachment. Once the dough comes together, mix on speed 2 to 3 for about 10 minutes. After that time, you'll have a smooth, elastic dough. Take it out of the bowl and knead it a couple of times to form it into a smooth ball and leave it to rise covered in a warm, draft-free place. Next, for the white bread. Do the exact same as before, except this time, let's knead the dough by hand. Just to show you that you don't need a machine if you have 10 minutes of elbow grease. Like before, mix together with a spatula, then switch over to your hand. When all of the loose flour has been incorporated, go ahead and knead the dough on a table surface for 10 minutes, or until you have a smooth, elastic dough like before. Cover and leave it to rise like the whole wheat dough. After 1 to 1.5 hours, depending on the conditions of your home, the bread dough would have risen to 2 times its size. To shape the loaves, simply deflate the dough to knock out the gas and eliminate any large air bubbles. Flatten with your hands and roll it out into a tight cylinder. Pinch the ends to close. Transfer the dough into your loaf pan and slightly flatten. Then cover again with plastic and leave that to rise until it doubles in size. Do the same with the white loaf and use a rolling pin if that's easier to do. When your loaves have doubled in size like this, unwrap them carefully as not to deflate, and they're ready for the oven. We're going to bake these in a relatively low oven at 350 Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. After which, take them out of the oven and quickly take it out of the loaf pan to cool. Or, if you prefer to have a more robust crust, put them back into a hotter oven at 375 Fahrenheit without the pan to brown up for a few minutes. Allow sufficient cooling time before slicing into these 2 gorgeous loaves. A great everyday healthy bread that is perfect for sandwiches, for toasts, or any other way you like to enjoy your bread. They're easy to make and keeps really well. Stays moist for the whole week, so I usually make 2 loaves at the start of the week. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like or a comment below. I love to hear from you. As always, go to yensfamilytable.com for the full written recipe and subscribe to my channels for more recipes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.